Welcome. Today I am going to discuss redox reaction. Then redox reaction, I can explain that trophic example, three example I can take. The first example, then zinc metal, then solid state. The zinc metal release electron, zinc plus 2 iron is aqueous, is formed. Then 2e release. Now copper plus 2 iron is aqueous, gain 2 electrons. Gain 2 electrons. Then copper metal is formed. Copper metal is formed. Now, then first one is oxidation reaction. Why? Then zinc is 0 oxidation number. Zinc plus 2 is iron. That's a plus 2 oxidation number. Then oxidation number increase. It is called oxidation reaction. Oxidation reaction. Okay. Now second one, copper plus 2 is oxidation number is plus 2. Then copper oxidation number is 0. Then oxidation number turns decrease. It is called reduction. 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 Then called reduction. Is called reduction. First one is oxidation. Second one is reduction. The first equation naming 1. Second equation naming 2. Now, at first oxidation half reaction, and reduction half reaction together by cutting electron. By cutting electron. Now, look here. Then that's a 2e. Then 2e is a cut. The 1 and 2 adding. The answer is Zn solid plus copper plus 2 gives zinc plus 2 plus copper metal. Then that equation is correct, but physical state is very important. Then solid, the zinc is solid, the copper is aqueous. Aqueous. Also, zinc plus 2 is aqueous and copper is solid. It's okay. Now, I have done first example. Okay. Now, I am going to second example. Then second example is in acidic media, MnO4 ions gives Mn plus 2 ion. Acidic media is 8 plus, then MnO4 minus ion gives Mn plus 2. Then other reaction, C2O4, that is the oxalate ion, gives carbon dioxide. Then carbon dioxide. Now, MnO4 minus gives Mn. Now, main element. What is the main element? Mn. The left hand side 1 Mn, then right hand side is a 1 Mn. Main element is balance. Now oxygen, left hand side 4 oxygen, but right hand side no oxygen. Therefore, add 4 water. Then oxygen is balanced. Now 4 into O, oxygen is balanced. Then hydrogen is unbalanced. Then right hand side 8 hydrogen, but left hand side no hydrogen. Then add in hydrogen by H plus, then 8 hydrogen. Then Mn is a balance, oxygen is a balance, hydrogen is a balance. Now we are going to charges. Then that is the right hand side. The water is a neutral compound. The oxidation number is a 0. Mn, then oxidation number is a plus 2. Left hand side 8 H plus and minus. Simplifies, then answer is left hand side plus 7. Therefore, adding 5 electron left hand side. 5 electron left hand side. Okay, 5 electron left hand side. Now, second equation. Oxalate ion trans carbon dioxide. Now oxalate ion C2O4 minus 2 gives carbon dioxide. Then left hand side 2 carbon, but right hand side 1 carbon. The carbon unbalanced. Then add 2. The carbon is a balance. Now oxygen. Left hand side 4. Then right hand side 2 into 2, 4. Then add in 2E. Why? Then left hand side the charge is minus 2. The right hand side charge is no charge. Then carbon dioxide is a neutral compound. Therefore, electron right hand side. Now that equation is a 1, the second is a 2. First one and second one. Okay? The first equation and second, again I can describe. Then MnO4 minus. Okay. Then first equation is a oxidation equation. The second equation is a reduction equation. What is the redox? The redox, then add oxidation half ionic reaction and reduction half ionic reaction together by cutting electron. Then add in 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Then, but first equation, the electron is 5. The second is a 2. Can't cut. Therefore, first one into 2, then second one into 5. Again, first is a 5 electron, second is a 2 electrons. Therefore, first into 2, second into 5. Then cancel. Then result is 8. H plus is okay? No. Then first one is into 2. Then 8 into 2. What is the answer? What is the answer? 16. 8 plus is 16. 8 plus is a 16. Now MnO4. MnO4. 2 MnO4. 2 MnO4 minus. Now, second, oxalate into 5. Then 5 C2O5 minus 2. Then gives the Mn. What? Into 2. 2 Mn plus 2. Now, water. How many water? Water. 2 into 4. 8 water. Then second, 2 carbon dioxide into 5. Answer is 10 carbon dioxide. Okay, that's the redox reaction. That is the redox reaction. That is a redox reaction. Again. Then second example, acidic media MnO4 minus gives Mn plus 2. Oxalate. What is the oxalate? C2O4 minus 2 gives carbon dioxide. Now, MnO4 gives Mn plus 2. MnO4 minus gives Mn plus 2. Then, main element is a balance. The left hand side 1 Mn, right hand side Mn is a balance. But left hand side 4 oxygen, then right hand side no oxygen. Therefore, adding 4 water, then oxygen is balanced. How? 4 into O, 4O. Now, hydrogen is unbalanced. Then right hand side 8 hydrogen. Then left hand side 8 H plus hydrogen is hydrogen is balanced. After that, then charges. Left and right plus 2. Right hand side plus 8 and minus. Then symbolize plus 7. Then balance 5E. Then add 5E left hand side is okay. Now second equation. Then C2O4 minus 2 gives carbon dioxide. Then main elements. The carbon is a 2. The right hand side carbon is 1. Now put 2 here. Then carbon is okay. Oxygen is okay. 2 into 2, 4. Now charges is unbalanced. The left hand side minus 2. Right hand side carbon dioxide is a what? Neutral compound is a oxidation number is a 0. Therefore, at 2E right hand side. Then oxidation half ionic reaction and reduction half ionic reaction is okay. Now I am going to redox reaction. What is the redox reaction? At oxidation half ionic reaction and reduction half ionic reaction together by cutting electrons. Then first equation 5E. Second equation 2E. No cut. Is a difference. Is a difference. Therefore, first one into 2. Second one into 5 is okay. Then first one is 10 electron. Second one is 10 electron. Is cutting. Now 8H plus convert 16H plus. MnO4 1 is convert to MnO4 minus. Now oxalate is a 1. Now 5 oxalate gives 2Mn plus 2 and 10 CO2. Then 8 H2O is okay. Then second example is done. Okay. Thank you very much. Wind up my lesson. Then I will meet again. Okay. Thank you very much.